Hi people, Newbie back again. Today's a little different. I've changed things up a bit. Normally what I do is I come into the train room and I shoot video, and then I come in here and I sit down and I talk about the video that I'm going to show you. Today's different. I don't know what's going to happen. I haven't tried this yet. You saw from the title screen, I'm going to try to run 5 trains at the same time. I don't know if I can or not. I haven't tried, but I'm gonna. So right now, let's just go out to the train room and see what's going to happen.
to walk with, all by myself. No one to talk with, but I'm happy on a shelf. Ain't misbehaving, saving my love for you. I know for certain the one that I love, I'm through with flirting, it's just you I'm thinking of. Ain't misbehaving, saving my love for you. Like Jack Horner in a corner, don't go nowhere, what do I care? Ooh, baby, your kisses are worth waiting for. Yeah, believe me, I don't stay out late, don't care to go. I'm home about 8, me and my stereo. Ain't misbehaving, saving all my love for you, yeah. You know something, honey? I ain't misbehaving. I'm saving all my love for you. You better believe that, darling. I know for certain the one that I love, I'm through with flirting. It's just you I'm thinking of. I ain't misbehaving, darling. I'm saving all my love for you in the AM, PM, M&M, you name it. Like Jack Horner in a corner, don't go nowhere, but what do I care? Yeah, baby, your kisses are worth waiting for. Yeah.
Well, people, I guess the answer is no. Can't run 5. Well, not yet. One of the reasons is because I don't have 5 really good running engines that I'm confident will keep running and not jump the track, and in particular I need to do a lot of work on couplers so that an engine will stay coupled to cars. So, but anyway, you notice that I'm using that little B unit to run around the track now and pull a little train with a B unit, and yeah, I don't like doing that, especially since I've now got that A Union Pacific that it would work really well with, and I think it will. But I have another A unit on the way, and so I won an auction on eBay, and so it's supposed to be here. Well, today's Thursday, maybe Saturday or over the weekend. But anyway, so here's what's going to happen, people. I was not successful in running 5 trains today, but I'm going to try again, and we're going to see if we can't do it. I think we can, and I'm really quite confident that we can. But anyway, the bottom line here is that I think this is good content. I like running trains. I like watching trains run, and I hope you do too. And if you do, hit that little like button down there in the corner. I'm sorry, hit that subscribe button down there in the corner, down there, and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube knows that people like what I'm doing. Also, if you like this and you know other people that you think might like it, share the video, share it anywhere. So, and of course, like and comment. If you like this kind of format, let me know. We'll do more of this, I think, and because that's kind of the plan, to do videos that are more operation of trains rather than just the building. The building gets boring after a while. Anyway, so that's where we are today. Hopefully in the next video we'll have another Union Pacific A unit to match up with that B unit. Also, I have an Amtrak loco that's going to be pulling some passenger cars. Now, I'm a little skeptical about how well passenger cars are going to move around my layout, but we're going to try that too. So, anyway, so that's hopefully coming up in the next video, and so I hope you enjoy it. Continue watching, and we'll see what's going to happen.